Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, look what I got. I got that little Kobalt toolbox. Almost as big as my hand. That's how cute it is. Each drawer has a 5-pound capacity. 3-year warranty. Awesome. One thin drawer up top. One deeper drawer at the bottom. I only got the blue one. They had a whole new box of them, but I just wanted one. Leave the rest for other people, right? Gotta be considerate. I'm not always considerate. Might as well make up for the times I'm not, right? Anyway, let's check it out. Cardboard. And okay. Alright. It's being difficult. There we go. More cardboard at the bottom. There we go. Anyway. Look at that little guy. It has a top lid. I did not know that. Shallow drawer. Deeper drawer. Alright. Oh, little paint coming off when I open the drawer. That's okay. But for $20, what do you want? It's got, does not have ball bearings on the drawers. Not a big deal. Because what you're going to use it for is not necessarily for heavy duty stuff. But the lid is bent for strength right here. That's nice. It's not just straight down. And it says Kobalt right there. And literally nothing else around. It has the bottom right there. All right. Let's go check some measurements. Let's get a tape measure. Here we go. All right. Inside width is 10 3/4 of the top. Inside width of the top drawer is 9 inches. Inside depth of the bottom drawer is 9 inches. Not too shabby. Well, wide, sorry. 5 inches deep on the top drawer. 5 inches deep. 5 inches deep on each drawer. And 5 3/4 deep on the top. Now, tall, 1/2 inch there. About 1/2 inch there, so get about 1 inch when you close that. That's about 1 inch, a little over 1 inch, slightly over. It's slightly over 2 inches on the bottom. Not too bad. Let's see, let me get some sockets. Here's a Stanley deep, Stanley shallow, 1/2 inch drive socket each. No way. No. Think you're going to keep your sockets in the top? No. Maybe no. It's kind of much for that. No way. Keep sockets in the bottom. Let's try some 3/8. Again, Stanley deep, Stanley shallow. The deep is kind of mid-deep. Mid-deep. You can fit in the bottom. Shallow. Fit in the top. Here. Yep. So definitely some Stanley deep 3/8 negative on the half. Lay them down, that's about it. But there we go. We tested it out It's a great little toolbox. I like it. Even if I don't use it, it's pretty cool to look at. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz. Let's check it out.